The room hums before it speaks, not with words, but with heat, with memory, with something ancient stuck to the bottom of the pan that probably has opinions. A soft clatter, then a louder one, and then tag. I swear, if you reorganize the sacred spice rack again, I will personally steep your dreams in regret. That shallot, resonant stir of fates, arch witch of aprons, defender of slightly too much garlic. She moves like someone who has no time for metaphors unless she's the one stirring them. Her hair is in a bun that predates prophecy. Her eyes are sharp enough to Julian your intentions. She's the kind of person who once punched a demon for seasoning disrespectfully and won. Somewhere near the back door, barely visible through steam and unrepentant foliage, tag. A mushroom, technically. Spiritually, somewhere between raccoon, archivist, and sleep paralysis sidekick with opinions about lentils. I was alphabetizing the time, she says, voice sticky with mischief. It was adjacent to existential oregano. It felt right. Shallot throws a towel at her. It misses. The towel turns itself into a small angry scarf and storms off. The room sighs. The soup simmers. A drawer creaks open gently as if waking from a mythic nap. And the kitchen knows. It's not just waiting for someone. It's waiting for you.